Hello and welcome to Honor Aquantis and this luxurious, beautiful 3 BHK. We have clients themselves to talk about the experience, the favorite part, and much more things to hear out. Welcome, Payal and Shiva. Thank you for joining us. If I have to ask to start off with, what is your favorite space of the house? What that would be?
Yeah, my favorite part of the house is the crockery. So basically, it adds much more elegance to the dining space. And what's
And
Yeah, my favorite part of the house is the kitchen. It turned out to be exactly as I imagined and more. And I love the sage green with a mix of white and a bit of black. And it's a very calming space. And my second favorite is the vanity, which was a challenging to design, but it turned out luxurious and very beautiful.
I agree. I can't agree more. To add to that, I think the side table in the master bedroom, the puja room has been an exclusive luxury as well. If I have to ask how your journey has been overall, how that would be.
Yeah, so actually, this is our first home. Amrita and the team helped us with a lot of challenges. We had a lot of design challenges. We collaborated, and in the process, also, we had some few hiccups, but together we resolved all the challenges, and finally, it turned out to be a very beautiful home.
Yeah, it was a very good learning experience, and the team was very much involved. And they helped us design the house as if it was their own, and they paid a lot of attention to very, very small, minute details, and they tried to accommodate into the design as much as possible. So it was a very good experience.
Thank you. And how was the process with the laminate selection? Because usually when I hear back from clients, they talk about the overwhelming process of laminate selection, material selection. Can you just share a little bit about that?
Yeah, the laminate selection, yes, we have to do it in a day. So it is a bit overwhelming, but hindsight, we realize that it's better to do it in a day because, again, selection is a lot of like pressure and you have to think so much. So
Right.
it all turns out well in the end.
Great.
But yeah, I think a bit of homework from the designer side as well as our side, I think that was helpful.
Great. Thank you both, and it was a lovely experience for us as well. And hope you liked it.